Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download FirstTrade application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your App Store from your app drawer. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box and type in FirstTrade and search. Once you find this application in the search result that says FirstTrade Invest and Trade, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application downloads and installs on your mobile device, and once it's done, you can launch open the application and get started with it. So that's how you can easily download FirstTrade Invest and Trade application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.